Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ordinary hyaluronic acid. First, ensure your skin is slightly damp after cleansing. This helps the hyaluronic acid draw moisture into your skin more effectively. Dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips, then gently press and spread it evenly across your face and neck. Remember, a little goes a long way for optimal hydration. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that goodness. For best results, incorporate the ordinary hyaluronic acid into both your morning and evening skincare routines. After cleansing and toning, apply it as one of your first serums. This allows it to penetrate deeply before other products create a barrier. Using it consistently, twice a day, will help maintain your skin's hydration levels and improve its overall texture over time. Make it a regular step for a healthy, plump complexion. Layering hyaluronic acid correctly is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Always apply it before any oil-based serums or thicker creams. It works wonderfully with many other popular ingredients, such as vitamin C and niacinamide, enhancing their effects. However, be cautious when combining it with direct acids like AHA or BHAs, as this can sometimes lead to irritation. Introduce new products gradually to see how your skin reacts. The ordinary hyaluronic acid offers incredible benefits, primarily intense hydration that helps plump your skin. This plumping effect can visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a smoother complexion. For an extra boost, try applying it to slightly damp skin after a shower. Always store your bottle in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. Enjoy a hydrated, radiant glow with consistent use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.